Deep within the wild places of our planet, from the tangled, humid jungles where sunlight barely pierces the canopy, to the sweeping, sun-drenched savannas, a remarkable group of predators reigns supreme, often unseen, yet profoundly influential. These are the legless hunters, snakes, whose evolutionary journey has equipped them with astonishing adaptations for survival, predation, and ecological dominance. While some animals rely on speed or size, and others on brute strength, snakes have mastered the art of stealth, patience, and precision. Their presence weaves an invisible thread through the tapestry of life, shaping the balance of entire ecosystems. As apex and mesopredators, snakes regulate prey populations, preventing outbreaks of rodents and other small animals that could destabilize their habitats. Their limbless bodies are marvels of evolutionary engineering. Over millions of years, snakes have lost their limbs, developing elongated, flexible spines and hundreds of ribs, allowing them to move with silent efficiency through every environment, from dense undergrowth to arid deserts and murky waters. Specialized belly scales, called scutes, grip surfaces and enable locomotion without legs, while their muscles ripple in coordinated waves, propelling them forward with remarkable agility. Snakes possess extraordinary sensory adaptations. Their forked tongues collect chemical cues from the air, which are analyzed by the Jacobson's organ, allowing them to track prey with astonishing accuracy, even in total darkness. Hunting strategies vary widely. Constrictors like boas and pythons use powerful coils to suffocate their prey, while vipers and elapids deliver venom through specialized fangs, immobilizing or killing with a single strike. Giants such as the anaconda and reticulated python can subdue animals far larger than themselves, using sheer muscle and stealth to ambush from water or dense foliage. The king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, and the lightning-fast black mamba are equipped with potent neurotoxins and remarkable speed, making them formidable hunters and defenders of their territory. By preying on rodents, birds, amphibians, and even other snakes, these predators maintain ecological balance, curbing disease, and supporting the health of their environments. Alongside other iconic animals, snakes are integral to the web of life, their influence often hidden but always profound. Each species of snake has evolved unique adaptations. Heat-sensing pits in pit vipers detect warm-blooded prey, while arboreal species possess prehensile tails for climbing, and aquatic snakes have flattened bodies for swimming. Camouflage, ambush tactics, and even mimicry are common, allowing snakes to hunt and avoid predators with remarkable success. Some species, like the mimicry masters of the coral snake family, use bright colors to warn off threats, while others blend seamlessly into their surroundings, becoming nearly invisible. Despite their power, snakes face natural challenges, predators, competition, and environmental changes that test their resilience and adaptability. As we embark on this journey, we will uncover the secrets of these hidden rulers, their biology, their strategies, and their vital role in the wild. Let us begin our adventure into the heart of the wild, where the legless predators silently shape the world around them. Deep within the labyrinthine waterways and flooded forests of South America's Amazon rainforest, a true giant glides silently beneath the surface, the green anaconda. This colossal reptile is the largest and heaviest snake on Earth, a living legend that reigns supreme in the swamps, marshes, and slow-moving rivers of the Amazon basin. Its body is a marvel of evolutionary design, cloaked in olive-green scales adorned with bold black blotches. This intricate pattern is not just for show, it is a masterstroke of camouflage. Blending seamlessly with the muddy waters, tangled roots, and decaying leaves, the anaconda becomes nearly invisible, a silent shadow waiting in the shallows. The green anaconda can reach astonishing proportions, sometimes growing beyond 8 meters in length and weighing over 200 kilograms. Its girth is immense, making it one of the most formidable predators in its domain. Built for power rather than speed, its thick, muscular body allows it to move with deliberate grace through the water, using its strength to overpower even the largest of prey. The green anaconda is a non-venomous constrictor. It relies on its immense muscular coils to subdue its prey, demonstrating a hunting strategy perfected over millennia. Its eyes and nostrils are positioned high on its broad head, an adaptation that allows the snake to breathe and observe while the rest of its body remains hidden beneath the water's surface. With only the slightest ripple betraying its presence, the anaconda waits, patient and motionless, for the perfect moment to strike. When a capybara, deer, or even a caiman approaches the water's edge, the anaconda launches itself with explosive speed, closing the distance in a heartbeat. Its jaws, lined with backward-facing teeth, clamp onto the prey, pulling it into the water. Instantly, the snake's powerful coils encircle the victim, initiating the deadly embrace of constriction. The struggle is brief. The anaconda does not crush bones. Instead, it tightens its grip each time the prey exhales, preventing it from drawing another breath. This method is both silent and efficient, ensuring the prey succumbs quickly with minimal commotion to attract other predators or scavengers. The anaconda's predatory prowess is unmatched in its watery world, making it a keystone species in the Amazon ecosystem. After the hunt, the anaconda begins the arduous process of swallowing its prey whole, a feat made possible by highly flexible ligaments in its jaws and skull. Its jaws can unhinge, stretching impossibly wide to accommodate animals much larger than its own head. Once sated, the anaconda retreats to a quiet spot, where it may remain motionless for weeks or even months, digesting its massive meal in solitude. The life cycle of the green anaconda is as remarkable as its hunting abilities. From birth to adulthood, each stage is shaped by the challenges of the Amazon. Unlike many reptiles, the green anaconda is viviparous, giving birth to live young rather than laying eggs. This adaptation increases the survival chances of the next generation in the unpredictable floodplains. After a gestation period of 6 to 7 months, a female may give birth to 20 to 40 fully formed young, each already equipped with the instincts and abilities needed to thrive in the wild. During the rainy season, the spectacle of the mating ball unfolds. Multiple smaller males entwine around a single, much larger female, each vying for the opportunity to pass on their genes. As both predator and prey, the green anaconda plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of the Amazon's intricate food web. Its presence shapes the populations of countless species, ensuring the health and diversity of this extraordinary ecosystem. The green anaconda is not just a titan of the water, it is a guardian of the Amazon's wild heart. Deep within the rainforests of Southeast Asia, the reticulated python reigns as the world's longest snake. This remarkable reptile can reach lengths exceeding 10 meters, making it the longest snake on the planet. Its elongated muscular body is both powerful and flexible, allowing it to navigate dense undergrowth and climb with ease. The reticulated python's name is inspired by its intricate skin pattern. Its scales form a net-like design of golden brown and black, providing exceptional camouflage among the forest floor's leaf litter and tangled roots. This camouflage is essential for its role as an ambush predator, allowing it to remain undetected as it waits for unsuspecting prey. The reticulated python is non-venomous, relying on constriction to overpower its prey. Its muscular coils exert immense pressure, quickly subduing animals by cutting off blood flow and preventing breathing. Along its jaws, a series of heat-sensing pits allow the python to detect the body heat of warm-blooded animals, even in total darkness. This adaptation enables the python to locate prey such as rodents, birds, and even larger mammals like pigs or deer, especially during the night. When prey approaches, The python strikes with astonishing speed and accuracy, seizing it in powerful jaws and swiftly coiling its body around the animal. Once subdued, the python swallows its prey whole. Its highly flexible skull and ligaments allow its mouth to stretch around animals much larger than its own head, enabling it to consume substantial meals that can sustain it for weeks or even months. The reticulated python is highly adaptable, thriving in a variety of environments, from dense rainforests to the edges of open land and near water sources. It is an excellent swimmer, often found near rivers and ponds, and is also a skilled climber, moving with agility through the trees and across the forest floor. During the breeding season, females lay large clutches of eggs, sometimes up to 100 at a time. The female coils around her eggs, using muscular contractions to generate heat and incubate them, ensuring the next generation of these magnificent giants will thrive in the wild. The python family is home to some of the most formidable legless predators on the planet, each species perfectly adapted to dominate its unique environment. In the lush grasslands and dense woodlands of Southeast Asia, the Burmese python reigns as one of the largest snake species on Earth. In its natural habitat, the Burmese python is a masterful hunter, using stealth and patience to approach its prey. Its striking dark blotched pattern on a brown background provides exceptional camouflage, allowing it to blend seamlessly into the grasslands and forest floors. The Burmese python is an ambush predator, lying in wait for unsuspecting mammals and birds. When the moment is right, it strikes with lightning speed, overpowering its prey through powerful constriction. In environments where it faces no natural predators, the Burmese python quickly ascends to the top of the food chain, dominating the landscape and impacting the balance of local wildlife. Its presence can lead to a dramatic decline in populations of small mammals and birds, reshaping the ecosystem wherever it thrives. Across the continent of Africa, the African rock python stands as the largest snake, a true giant of the savannas and forests. This formidable reptile can reach lengths of up to 6 meters, moving with silent power through tall grasses and dense undergrowth. Like its Asian relative, the African rock python is an ambush predator, relying on its immense strength and patience to secure a meal. It often positions itself near water holes, where the promise of prey is greatest, remaining perfectly still and hidden among reeds or underbrush. The python can wait for hours, even days, for the perfect opportunity to strike. Its patience is often rewarded with large prey, including small antelope and even young crocodiles, which it subdues with a sudden, powerful attack. The African rock python plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem, controlling populations of various animals. Its diet is highly varied, ranging from large rodents to monkeys, and it is known for its adaptability in hunting different types of prey. After consuming a large meal, the python retreats to a secluded spot where it will rest and digest for weeks, hidden from both predators and prey. The African rock python also exhibits remarkable maternal behavior. After laying a clutch of 30 to 50 large eggs, the female coils protectively around them, guarding the nest from potential threats. She maintains a constant temperature for incubation, shivering to generate heat if necessary, ensuring her offspring have the best possible start in life. Through these survival tactics and behaviors, both the Burmese and African rock pythons have secured their place as apex predators in their respective domains. Deep within the lush forests of Asia, stretching from the misty foothills of India to the emerald archipelagos of the Philippines, reigns a serpent whose very presence commands awe and respect. The king cobra, the undisputed monarch among legless predators. Towering above all other venomous snakes, the king cobra can reach an astonishing length of over 5 meters, its sinuous form gliding silently through the undergrowth like a living shadow. Yet, Its claim to royalty is not merely a matter of size. The king cobra's reign is defined by its remarkable intelligence, specialized diet, and the profound influence it exerts on its ecosystem. Its scientific name, Ophiophagus hanna, meaning snake-eater, reveals its extraordinary predatory focus. The king cobra is a specialist, preying almost exclusively on other snakes, including formidable adversaries such as kraits and other cobras. It will also consume non-venomous species like pythons, demonstrating both adaptability and dominance within its food web. This highly specialized diet not only sets the king cobra apart from nearly all other serpents, but also positions it as a regulator of snake populations, maintaining balance within its domain. When threatened, the king cobra's display is nothing short of regal intimidation. It can rear up, lifting a third of its body high above the ground, towering over rivals and potential threats alike. Its iconic hood, formed by spreading its neck ribs, becomes a living crown, an unmistakable symbol of its status. Even in this upright posture, the king cobra can strike with astonishing speed and precision, a testament to its predatory mastery. Its venom, a potent neurotoxin, is delivered in large quantities, capable of subduing even the most formidable prey. A single bite contains enough venom to bring down large animals, and in rare cases even an elephant. Despite its power, the king cobra is a reserved ruler, avoiding unnecessary conflict and reserving its venom for hunting rather than defense. This restraint ensures its continued dominance as it conserves its most valuable weapon for the pursuit of its serpentine prey. The king cobra's courtship and mating rituals are equally remarkable, reflecting a complexity rare among snakes. When two males vie for the attention of a female, they engage in a ritualized combat dance, a display of strength and endurance. The rivals entwine, rising and pushing against one another, each striving to force the other to the ground. This contest is a test of dominance, not a battle to the death. No venom is used, and the defeated simply retreats. Such restraint and ritual highlight the king cobra's sophisticated social behaviors, rare in the solitary world of serpents. The victor earns the right to mate, ensuring that only the strongest genes are passed on to the next generation. These interactions reveal a level of social complexity and ritual that elevates the king cobra above its peers. Every movement, every display reinforces its regal status in the serpent world. Perhaps the most astonishing trait of all is the king cobra's approach to parenthood, a trait almost unheard of among snakes. After mating, the female meticulously gathers dry leaves and vegetation, using her powerful coils to shape them into a protective mound. This nest, unique among all serpents, is a two-tiered fortress designed to safeguard her precious clutch. She deposits 20 to 40 eggs within the lower chamber, then coils herself protectively above them. For weeks, she remains vigilant, defending her nest from any would-be intruders, a rare display of parental care in the reptile world. Any creature daring to approach is met with fierce resistance, as the queen defends her future offspring with unwavering determination. Only when the eggs are ready to hatch does she quietly slip away, her duty as guardian complete. This rare act of parental investment, combined with its dominance, intelligence, and ecological role, truly sets the king cobra apart as royalty among serpents, an apex predator, a guardian, and a living legend of the wild. In the heart of Africa, two of the continent's most formidable legless predators reign supreme, the black mamba and the Gaboon viper. The black mamba, a symbol of speed and agility, is renowned for its ability to traverse the savanna and rocky hillsides with astonishing swiftness. This snake is among the fastest in the world, capable of reaching speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour. Its elongated, slender body, sometimes stretching up to 4 meters, enables it to move with remarkable agility through open terrain and dense undergrowth alike. The black mamba's coloration, typically olive green or grey, allows it to blend seamlessly with its environment. Its name, however, is derived from the inky black interior of its mouth, which it displays as a warning to potential threats. As a diurnal hunter, the black mamba is most active during daylight hours, searching for prey both on the ground and in the trees. Its hunting strategy is one of relentless pursuit. Unlike ambush predators, the mamba actively seeks out its prey, which includes small mammals such as mice and squirrels, as well as birds. The black mamba's venom is a potent neurotoxin, rapidly disrupting the nervous system of its victims. When it strikes, it delivers multiple rapid bites, injecting enough venom to quickly immobilize and kill its prey. The venom acts by blocking nerve signals, causing paralysis and respiratory failure in small animals. By preying on rodents and birds, the black mamba plays a crucial ecological role, regulating populations and maintaining balance within its savanna and rocky hill habitats. Its presence ensures that prey species do not overwhelm the ecosystem, supporting the health and diversity of the environment. In stark contrast to the black mamba's speed and active hunting, the Gaboon viper is a master of patience and stealth. This heavyweight viper, Africa's largest, can exceed 2 meters in length and weigh up to 10 kilograms. Its most remarkable adaptation is its camouflage, a complex geometric pattern of pink, purple, and brown rectangles and triangles that perfectly mimic the leaf litter of the rainforest floor. This camouflage renders the Gaboon viper nearly invisible, allowing it to remain motionless for days as it waits for prey. The Gaboon viper is a nocturnal ambush predator, relying on stealth and surprise rather than speed. It possesses the longest fangs of any snake, up to 5 centimeters, designed to penetrate deeply and deliver a massive dose of venom. The Gaboon viper's venom is a complex cocktail of hemotoxins and cytotoxins, which destroy tissue, disrupt blood clotting, and cause rapid circulatory collapse in its prey. When a small mammal or bird passes within range, the viper strikes with lightning speed, injecting its venom and then waiting for the prey to succumb before consuming it. The Gaboon viper's slow, deliberate movements and preference for remote, dense rainforests keep it hidden from most other animals. Its ecological role is vital. By preying on a variety of small vertebrates, it helps control populations and maintain the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem. Gaboon vipers give birth to live young, with each offspring born fully equipped with venom and camouflage. These miniature vipers immediately begin their lives as ambush predators, continuing the cycle of predation and ecological balance in the African rainforest. Across the deserts, mountains, and plains of the Americas, a distinct and iconic sound can be heard, the chilling buzz of a rattlesnake. But this is just one example of how legless predators use sound as a vital tool for survival. Rattlesnakes, members of the pit viper family, are renowned for the specialized rattle at the end of their tails. This unique adaptation is a sophisticated form of communication evolved over millions of years. The rattle itself is made of interlocking segments of keratin, the same material as our fingernails. Each time the snake sheds its skin, a new segment is added, amplifying the sound and making the warning even more pronounced. When threatened, the rattlesnake vibrates its tail at remarkable speeds, causing the segments to click together and produce the unmistakable warning buzz. This sound can reach up to 90 decibels, rivaling the noise of a lawnmower. This is not a sign of aggression, but a defensive signal, a clear message to potential threats. Stay away, I don't want to bite you, but I will if I must. This form of acoustic communication is crucial for avoiding unnecessary conflict. Rattlesnakes are not alone in their use of sound. Other legless predators, such as certain species of vipers and cobras, employ hissing, body vibrations, or even tail rattling against dry leaves to create warning noises. These sounds serve as universal signals in the animal kingdom, alerting both predators and prey. The evolution of these warning sounds is a testament to the power of natural selection. Snakes that could effectively communicate danger were less likely to be attacked, increasing their chances of survival and reproduction. While their warning sounds are designed to deter large animals, rattlesnakes remain silent and stealthy when hunting. Their heat-sensing pits allow them to detect the body heat of warm-blooded prey. such as mice, rats, and rabbits, even in total darkness. This gives them a significant advantage when stalking prey at night or in dark burrows, where silence is key to a successful ambush. As ambush predators, rattlesnakes coil near game trails or rodent burrows, waiting patiently for a meal to come within striking distance. Their ability to switch between warning and stealth is a remarkable adaptation. When a rattlesnake strikes, it does so with lightning speed, injecting venom that quickly incapacitates its prey. The venom is primarily hemotoxic, attacking blood cells and tissues, causing internal damage and subduing the prey with efficiency. After delivering the bite, the snake often releases the prey, tracking it by scent until the venom takes effect. This minimizes the risk of injury from a struggling animal. This strategy, combined with their warning sounds, highlights the balance between defense and predation in legless hunters. Their role in controlling rodent populations is crucial for maintaining a healthy balance in their ecosystems, from arid deserts to dense forests. Even with their formidable venom, camouflage, and warning sounds, rattlesnakes are not invincible. They face threats from various predators, including birds of prey like hawks and eagles, as well as other animals like roadrunners, some of which have even evolved resistance to snake venom or developed strategies to avoid being bitten. A famous rivalry exists between rattlesnakes and roadrunners in the American Southwest, where the quick and agile bird often wins the confrontation, despite the snake's warnings. The evolution of warning sounds in legless predators is a powerful reminder that in nature, every animal, no matter how deadly, is part of a larger web, using communication, defense, and predation to survive and maintain the intricate balance of life. The African savanna is a stage for some of the most remarkable legless predators on Earth, each perfectly adapted to thrive in this challenging environment. Among these, the African rock python stands out as a true superstar. This massive constrictor can reach lengths of over 6 meters, making it one of the largest snakes in the world. With cryptic coloration and a patient hunting style, the python lies in wait, ambushing prey that comes to drink or graze, relying on stealth and sudden bursts of power. Once it strikes, the python uses its muscular body to coil around its victim, suffocating it with immense force before swallowing it whole. Adaptations like heat-sensing pits and a highly sensitive tongue allow the python to detect even the slightest movement or temperature change, making it a formidable nocturnal hunter. Not all legless predators rely on brute strength. The African egg-eating snake is a specialist, using its flexible jaws to consume eggs much larger than its head. Inside its throat, bony projections crack the eggshell, allowing the snake to consume the nutritious contents and spit out the empty shell. The Kenyan sand boa, another legless marvel, spends much of its life hidden beneath the sand, waiting to ambush small mammals and birds that pass overhead. Its compact, muscular body and wedge-shaped head are perfect for a life of stealth, allowing it to strike with lightning speed from below. Interactions between these legless predators and other savanna inhabitants are complex. Pythons may compete with monitor lizards for food, and both must avoid becoming prey themselves to larger carnivores. Even the mighty python must be wary of lions and hyenas, which may attack a snake if given the chance, especially when it is vulnerable after a large meal. The next generation faces its own challenges. Python hatchlings emerge into a world full of dangers, relying on camouflage and instinct to survive. Like all reptiles, these legless predators depend on the sun to regulate their body temperature, often basking in the early morning before retreating to shade or burrows during the heat of the day. Their presence influences the behavior of other animals. Grazers remain alert and birds sound alarms at the first sign of a snake, demonstrating the interconnectedness of the savanna ecosystem. From the powerful python to the specialized egg-eater, these legless predators are true savanna superstars, each playing a vital role in maintaining the balance and diversity of this wild landscape. In the quiet hush of dawn, As sunlight spills across the savanna and the jungle stirs to life, a hidden world awakens beneath the leaves and grasses, a world ruled by the legless predators, whose presence is as ancient as the land itself. These silent hunters, the snakes, move with a grace and power that belies their limbless forms. They are the unseen guardians of balance, weaving through the undergrowth and waterways, shaping the fate of countless creatures with every flicker of their tongues. The green anaconda, immense and mysterious, glides through rivers, while the reticulated python coils in patient silence, a living testament to the power of patience and strength. The king cobra, regal and alert, commands respect with its intelligence and potent venom, and the black mamba, swift as a shadow, is a marvel of speed and precision. Each is a masterpiece of evolution, honed by millions of years to fit perfectly into their world. Without limbs, they have mastered the art of survival, constricting with silent strength, vanishing into the tapestry of leaves, sensing the faintest heat of their prey, and delivering venom with astonishing accuracy. Their methods are as varied as their forms, each adapted to the challenges of their unique habitats. Far from being monsters, these snakes are vital regulators of life. They keep rodent populations in check, prevent disease outbreaks, and ensure that the delicate balance of predator and prey is maintained. Their presence echoes through the ecosystem, touching the lives of every creature, from the smallest insect to the mightiest mammal. Alongside them, the cheetah's explosive speed and the elephant's gentle strength remind us that every animal, no matter its form, has a role to play in the grand design of nature. The elephant shapes the land, the cheetah tests the limits of speed, and the snake, often unseen, quietly maintains the balance that allows all to thrive. Even the baboons, with their complex societies, and the zebras, each with a unique pattern, are part of this intricate web. The world of legless predators is not isolated. It is woven into the very fabric of the wild, connected to every heartbeat and every breath. Even the birds, with their vibrant dances and songs, depend on the balance maintained by these silent hunters. Every species, every individual, is a thread in the tapestry of life, and the loss of even one can unravel the whole. The snakes, the cheetahs, the birds and the elephants, each movement, each life, is a testament to the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Predators, including the legless hunters, keep populations in balance, ensuring that no single species overwhelms the land. Herbivores, in turn, shape the landscape, their movements and feeding habits sculpting the very earth. Even the smallest birds, pollinators and insect hunters are part of this living network, their fates intertwined with those of the legless predators. When a snake vanishes, the consequences ripple outward. Rodents multiply, crops suffer, disease spreads, and the balance painstakingly built over millennia begins to crumble. The health of the ecosystem depends on the health of its legless guardians, just as their survival depends on the world remaining whole. Yet these remarkable creatures face grave challenges. Habitat loss, climate change, and the relentless expansion of the modern world threaten their existence. Forests are felled, wetlands drained, and grasslands scorched, leaving snakes and their prey with nowhere to hide, nowhere to hunt, nowhere to live. The world of legless predators is fragile, and its loss would echo through every corner of the wild, silencing the songs, stilling the grasses, and leaving the land forever changed. To protect them is to protect the wild heart of our planet, to ensure that the silent hunters, the swift runners, and the gentle giants continue to move through sunlit grass and shadowed forest. Let us cherish the world of legless predators, for in their survival lies the hope of a wild, wondrous future, a world where every creature, no matter how small or misunderstood, has a place, a purpose, and a story worth protecting. Beneath the scorching sun and shifting dunes, another world of legless predators thrives, a realm where survival demands extraordinary adaptation. Here in the vast deserts, sandbows and horned vipers rule with stealth and ingenuity, perfectly attuned to a life of extremes. The sand boa, small and stout, is a master of invisibility, With a body built for burrowing, it disappears beneath the surface in seconds, leaving no trace of its passage. Hidden beneath the sands, it waits patiently, sensing the vibrations of unsuspecting prey above. When the moment is right, the sand boa erupts from its hiding place in a burst of speed, seizing rodents and lizards in a silent, sudden strike. Its ability to live and hunt almost entirely underground shields it from the punishing heat and hungry eyes of larger predators. In the open desert, the horned viper glides across the dunes in a mesmerizing sideways motion, known as sidewinding. This unique locomotion minimizes contact with the searing sand, allowing the viper to move swiftly and efficiently across the hottest surfaces. The horned viper's namesake, horns, tiny raised scales above its eyes, help break up its outline, offering camouflage among rocks and shadows. With heat-sensing pits and cryptic coloration, it becomes nearly invisible to both prey and predator. As twilight falls, these desert hunters come alive. The horned viper lies in ambush, partially buried, waiting for a careless rodent or bird to approach. With a lightning-fast strike, it injects potent venom, immobilizing its meal with precision. The sand boa, meanwhile, uses its powerful coils to constrict prey, relying on strength rather than venom. Every adaptation, every movement, is a testament to survival in the harshest of lands. Water is scarce, shade is fleeting, and the temperature swings from blistering heat to icy cold. Yet the sand boas and horned vipers endure, masters of patience, camouflage, and efficiency. In the realm of endless sand, these legless predators are the quiet architects of balance, keeping the delicate desert ecosystem in harmony. Their presence ensures that life, even in the most unforgiving places, continues to flourish, reminding us that nature's ingenuity knows no bounds. Beneath the shimmering surface of the world's oceans, legless predators glide with silent grace, creatures perfectly evolved for life in the deep. Among them, sea snakes reign as enigmatic masters of the marine realm, their slender bodies weaving through coral forests and open water alike. Sea snakes belong to a unique family of serpents, their physiology transformed by millions of years in the water. Their bodies are elongated and laterally flattened, forming a paddle-like tail that propels them effortlessly through the currents. Nostrils close tightly to keep out the salt, while specialized lungs and the ability to absorb oxygen through their skin allow for prolonged dives beneath the waves. But beauty in the ocean often conceals danger. Sea snakes possess some of the most potent venom in the animal kingdom. A drop is enough to subdue prey almost instantly. With fangs at the front of their jaws, they strike swiftly, targeting small fish and eels that dart through the reefs. Their venom works fast, paralyzing victims before they can escape into the labyrinth of coral. Yet these marine hunters are more than just lethal predators. As they patrol the reefs and seagrass beds, sea snakes help control populations of fish and invertebrates, maintaining the delicate balance of their underwater world. Their presence is a signal of ecosystem health, a sign that the ocean's intricate web of life remains intact. Sea snakes are not alone in this blue domain. Legless marine predators, like the eel-like amphiomas and worm-like caecilians, also haunt the brackish shallows, preying on crustaceans, mollusks, and even small fish. Each has evolved unique adaptations for aquatic hunting: smooth, slippery skin for stealth, and acute senses to detect the faintest movement in the water. Together, these creatures remind us that the ocean's mysteries run deep, and that even without limbs, predators can rule the waves. In the silent embrace of the sea, the ghostly forms of sea snakes and their kin glide on, shaping the fate of countless marine lives with every silent strike. Deep below the surface, where sunlight cannot reach and the world is cloaked in perpetual night, another realm of legless predators thrives. In these secretive labyrinths of stone and soil, blind snakes and their cave-dwelling kin have carved out a unique existence, perfectly adapted to the eternal darkness. Blind snakes, with their slender, worm-like bodies, move effortlessly through narrow crevices and loose earth. Their skin is smooth and often pale, reflecting a life spent far from the sun. Tiny or completely absent eyes are hidden beneath translucent scales, vestigial reminders of ancestors who once navigated brighter worlds. Instead of vision, these serpents rely on heightened senses of touch and smell, detecting vibrations and chemical cues to find their way and locate prey. Their diets are as specialized as their bodies. Blind snakes feed primarily on the soft-bodied larvae of insects, termites, and ants, infiltrating underground nests with stealth and precision. A flick of the tongue samples the air for scent trails, while their small, narrow heads slip easily between tunnels and chambers in pursuit of hidden meals. Once found, their jaws are uniquely adapted to grip and swallow prey whole, even in the tightest spaces. Evolution has shaped these cave dwellers over millions of years. Isolated from the surface, they have lost the need for pigments and sight, redirecting their energy to senses that serve them better in the underground world. Many have developed strong skulls and powerful muscles to burrow through compact soil, while others have retained a flexible, eel-like form for weaving through rocky fissures. Blind snakes are not alone in these subterranean kingdoms. Other legless hunters, such as the enigmatic thread snakes and the elusive Typhlopidae, share these shadowy depths. Each species brings its own adaptations to the eternal night, from specialized feeding mechanisms to unique reproductive strategies that ensure survival in a world without light. In the silence beneath the earth, these hidden predators play a vital role, controlling insect populations and contributing to the unseen cycles of life below ground. Their story is a testament to evolution's endless creativity, and a reminder that even in the deepest darkness, life finds a way to flourish. Beneath the tangled canopy and amidst the dappled shadows of the forest floor, a different kind of legless predator reigns. Here, among fallen leaves and tangled roots, snakes and their kin have mastered the art of invisibility. Their scales shimmer in earthy hues, browns, greens, and mottled patterns that blend seamlessly with the forest debris. This camouflage is their first weapon, allowing them to vanish from sight, whether they are lying in wait for prey or evading the watchful eyes of larger hunters. Some, like the deadly bushmaster, flatten their bodies and remain motionless for hours, becoming indistinguishable from the leaf litter itself. With every gentle breeze, their presence is further masked by shifting shadows and trembling leaves. Others, such as the vine snake, mimic the slender branches and vines that crisscross the undergrowth, swaying gently in perfect sync with the forest's rhythm. Their tactics are as varied as the forest itself. Ambush predators wait patiently for the unsuspecting, rodents, frogs, or birds to wander within striking distance. In a flash, a lightning-fast strike secures the meal. Meanwhile, active hunters like the racer snake glide silently over moss and wood, relying on agility and sharp senses to chase down prey. But the forest floor is not theirs alone. These legless hunters share their domain with cunning rivals, centipedes, predatory beetles, and even other snakes. Encounters can be tense, with each creature testing the boundaries of survival. Some snakes, like the king snake, are notorious for preying on their own kind, turning the leaf litter into a silent battlefield. Despite the competition, many forest floor snakes play a crucial role in maintaining balance. By controlling rodent and insect populations, they sustain the delicate web of life that holds the forest together. Every slither, every stillness, is a testament to millions of years of adaptation, a dance of concealment and predation, played out in the hidden world beneath our feet. In the shadowy world beneath the leaves, one evolutionary marvel has shifted the balance of power: venom. For millions of years, legless predators have refined this biochemical arsenal, transforming simple proteins into potent cocktails of toxins. But how did this weapon come to be? The story of venom begins deep in the evolutionary past. Early snakes and their relatives developed simple, enzyme-rich saliva to help subdue struggling prey, Over countless generations, random genetic mutations gave rise to specialized glands and hollow fangs, allowing some species to inject their modified saliva, venom, directly into their victims. This innovation was a game-changer. Venoms are as diverse as the snakes that wield them. Some, like the neurotoxins of coral snakes, target the nervous system, paralyzing prey within moments. Others, such as the hemotoxins of vipers, break down blood cells and tissues, turning a single bite into a devastating blow. Even closely related species can possess dramatically different venom compositions, each tailored to their preferred prey and hunting style. Consider the Gaboon viper, whose venom not only immobilizes, but also begins digesting its meal from the inside, or the diminutive twig snake, whose slow-acting toxins allow it to wait patiently as its prey succumbs. The diversity of these venoms mirrors the diversity of life on the forest floor, each adaptation finely tuned by the pressures of survival. But the impact of venom extends far beyond the hunt. By regulating populations of rodents, amphibians, and insects, venomous snakes help maintain the delicate balance of their ecosystems. Their presence shapes the behavior and evolution of countless other species, from wary prey that develop resistance to rival predators that learn to avoid a fatal bite. In this unseen arms race, venom is more than a weapon. It is a masterpiece of natural selection, a testament to the relentless ingenuity of evolution. And in the silent struggle for survival beneath the forest canopy, it remains one of nature's most extraordinary tools.